All right, guys, so we're going to try something a little bit different today. Moms, dads, grandmas, grandpas, aunts, uncles, whatever. This is for you guys, really, just to kind of help you with an activity that you could do with your kids outside. So it's called How Far Can You Jump? And so what we're doing with this one is we're working on measurement, predictions, data analysis. So there's a lot of things that go along with this one. You can do this inside, outside. I'm doing it outside since it's really nice out today. You can do it on the sidewalk, out in the grass, wherever you can do it, wherever you want to do it. But I'm going to do it outside. And I just picked up some stuff that was outside. So this will be my starting line, my stick. So I'm just going to go stick it over at the starting spot. So that's going to be where I start. And I'm going to put another stick somewhere where I think that I might be able to jump to. So if I started over there, I might be like, I think I'm going to jump this far. And you'd put this stick or whatever you want to use, paper, sticky notes, stuffed animals, whatever you want to use to measure, tape, chalk, whatever you got. And so then your child's going to go to their starting line and they're going to try to see how far they can jump. So I'm going to do that right now. Once they jump, you'll put a marker down, anything that you can use to just mark how far they've gotten. So I'm just going to use this tree branch. So here we go. So I'll start at my starting line and I'll count to 3, 1, 2, 3, jump and see. And I actually did make it as far as I thought I would on the ground. So I'll stick my marker there. And then just to add something a little bit more fun, to measure how far they did, you can use different things around the house to measure how far they actually did jump. So you can use water bottles, shoes, those are always fun. Again, you can do maybe socks or shoes or whatever you got around the house. So you could do predicting with them. So you could say, I wonder how many of these shoes I jumped. So you'd start the shoes at the starting line and then measure them on. But let them guess first. Say, maybe I think I jumped 3 shoes. So then we're going to see if we actually jumped 3 shoes far. So I'm going to do that now. So I have 2 shoes, so I'll put one kind of in front of the other and then just keep going. So I started here, so I have 1, 2, pick it up, put it in front, 3, and it's a little over 4, but kind of 4 shoes. So I say I guessed 3, but it was really 4 shoes long. So was that bigger or smaller? Was my guess bigger or smaller than what was actually done? And so, kind of let them go through it, say, is 4 bigger than 3 or is it smaller than 3? And so since it's bigger than 3, be like, yeah, it's a little bit bigger than 3. It's a bigger number. So you can let them do the activity again, seeing if maybe they can jump a little bit further, or you can measure with something different. So I'm going to measure with my water bottles now. I have 2 of them. You can use more. They can just kind of set them up in front of each other, but I just grabbed 2 because I only have 2 hands. So you can say, well, if I did 4 shoes and these water bottles are a little bit smaller than the shoes, so maybe there'll be more water bottles than shoes. So I'm thinking maybe it'll be 5 water bottles. And then you guys can go and figure out if you were right with your guess. So I go to my starting point, same thing with the shoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh. So it was 6 water bottles long, my jump was. So I guessed 5, but it was 6. So my guess wasn't right, but I was really close. 5 is 1 less than 6. So it was super close. Now, if we're thinking it took 6 water bottles and 4 shoes, which one's bigger? 6 is, yeah. But the shoes are also a little bit bigger than the water bottles, so the water bottles are smaller, so it's going to take more of them. So you guys can do different things with that. You could have them write down their guesses on paper so that they're practicing writing the numbers, or you can have them trace over the numbers, and then you can set them out and do bigger and smaller. So there's a lot of measurement going on, number skills, guesstimating, predicting. So yeah, have fun with the activity, go outside, do it inside, whatever you're comfortable with, and have fun with it. I want to see what you guys come up with. All right, see you later.